Hey art nerds, we are going to be talking about blind contour drawings. Now, if you saw the previous video about contour line drawings, okay, this is very similar except for the fact, no, we're not having our eyes shut. That's not what I mean by blind, okay? What I mean is I am blind to the paper, okay? And I'll explain more what that means, okay? If you have not seen that contour line drawing video yet, I would take a look at that first, okay, before bopping on this one. This is like number 2 in a series or something, okay? So what you need is you need a pencil, you need an object. I got my awesome balloon dog again, and then a piece of paper to work with, okay? So what you need in addition, okay, if I tend to cheat sometimes, okay, but we have something that we call a blinder, okay? Yeah, it's just a notebook piece of paper. You stab your pencil through it, okay, and then now, can you see the paper? No, I can't see the paper either, okay? So what the whole idea with this is drawing while looking at your object but not looking at the paper, okay? Your drawing is not going to turn out perfect, okay? If it does, please let me know and let me see how that happened, because that's super cool and I'm really excited to hear about it. But a lot of times, we're not focusing on having a perfect drawing. We are training our eyeballs, okay? Because our eyes, we see this object, our eyes sense it. It sends electrical signal to the brain saying, hey, I see a green balloon dog. And then it sends a signal to the hand telling you how to draw it. Now, we're trying to work on building that hand-eye coordination. So then what I see ends up being what I draw, okay? So how blind contour drawings help with us, that is, it really exercises that hand-eye coordination, and it also gives us the opportunity to actually spend time and really look at our object itself. So you're going to have to trust me. I'm going to be taking off my blinder so you can see my drawing, okay? It's okay to giggle because it's probably not going to be very good, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be following, I'm going to start right here on my dog. Okay, so right on the top of that leg. Okay, so, okay, now I'm not going to look at it. You can't see it, but I'm blocking my view with my hands, so I can't see what's happening. Anyways, so what you are trying to imagine is that your pencil, the tip of your pencil, is gliding along the edge of your object, okay? Now, the one thing that's really important is speed. So like the speed in which my eye is moving should be about the same speed as where my hand is moving. And to tell you the truth, I'm very poor at doing that. Not very good at hand-eye coordination in general, but it is very good to practice, okay? I haven't lifted up my pencil yet, but it doesn't mean you can't, okay? It just helps me keep track of where I am in my drawing. So now I'm doing one of the ears. They can pop over here. Get the front of the snout there. The other ear. Okay. End of the snout. Okay, now I'm totally lost. That's okay. That is not the point of the assignment to make it look perfect. The point is to practice that hand-eye coordination, trying to get things to match. So now I'm working on the tail. Up and around the bubble end of the tail, and I should be done. Beautiful. I lied, it's not beautiful. Okay, that's really bad. Anyways, so notice how my drawing doesn't exactly look like this. So you can see like my first one, this first leg, that was really good, but then this leg got really fat. This one's pretty good. The neck got kind of short. The head's pretty nice. But then once I lifted up my pencil, remember how I lifted my pencil to go from the nose over? I didn't go to the right spot. I was supposed to go farther down, and then I could have gotten pretty close. So these blind contour drawings aren't intended to be beautiful. They're intended to really work on that hand-eye coordination. So if I was going to practice drawing, over and over again, one of these contour drawings, I would do the blind contour. That would help you the most in getting better at drawing. So I hope you find this fun, and I hope you try drawing a couple of these because they're ugly, but they are fun.